Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find competitors' broken backlinks on Semrush. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Semrush account, which of course I have done right here. Okay, so let's quickly hop into what next to do, which is how to create an account on Semrush. Now, you can do that by launching any browser feature and locating the search bar. In the search bar for browser, go ahead and type semrush.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Semrush once you get in there. Follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Semrush. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to find competitors' broken backlinks on Semrush. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have a couple categories with sub-features under them. So from here, I'd like you to head over to the link building category where you have backlink analytics, backlink audit, link building tool, and bulk analysis. So go ahead and click on backlink audits. So from here, you're going to find the website that we are working on. Okay, so go ahead and click on the name of the website. Now, for you to find competitors' broken backlinks and see how you can definitely fix it, here is what you should do. But now, I will not be able to proceed with this feature because I'm using the free version of Semrush. It's only available to upgraded users or users using the upgraded versions of Semrush. So here you go. From here at the top corner of your screen, you're going to find audit, remove, disavow, and lost and found. You're going to find target pages. So go ahead and click on target pages. So as you can see here, it says I need to subscribe to Semrush plan for me to analyze this. So you can get free trial and just go ahead and pay for them, or you can use C plans and pricing. But once you've already paid and you've upgraded and it takes you to this page, you can come over using the same processes, and once you head over to target pages, it's going to take you to this new window where you're going to have all of these options here, which include ref domains, backlinks, filter by tag, new pages, and target URL. So go ahead and click on target URL error. So click on that, and once you click on target URL error, you're going to find let's say an option, or you're going to find a wide array of URLs that are broken or that are not broken. So you're just going to find it there. You're going to find a list of them. So go ahead and search for the URL that is broken. All right. Or you're going to find the backlink that is broken. They're definitely going to notify you in the list. They're going to say, so this is a kind of URL is broken. So you can now click on that and fix the broken URL. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So head over to backlink audits, click on target pages, and click on target URL error. Locate anyone that is broken and proceed to fix it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.